Alright guys, so I got my kayak on top of my Tacoma. Let's check it out. Basically, it says here to remove the weather strip. I guess you call this weather strip. Okay, so I'll take this off. Oh shit. Look at this. It's not even that hard. Look, I already took that out. Just gonna make sure this is out. Maybe two here. One here. Second one here. So that middle only got one hole, huh? I think so. I'm pushing it hard, but my finger doesn't go in. All right. Let's fold this. Whoosh. Whoa. So we gotta take that adhesive off. In the backing, put this washer in here like they said. All right. Okay, so for the front, we're gonna need the two short screws, which is this two that I put it on top, and then for this three gasket that I put up, we are gonna use the three long screws along with the spacers. I already put the spacer, so it is the long screws, spacer, and then a washer. I already set them up, you know, so it'll be easier for me to screw them off. So let's go do this. See those two holes? Make sure they lined up. Oh wait, why this one is loose? Oh come on. Why this fucking thing is loose? What the fuck? Is that supposed to be riveted? You gotta be freaking kidding me. We're back. I forgot to put the railing on top. Now we're back on the game, so we're gonna line this shit up again. All right, which is gonna take some time again. Like I had this lined up earlier, but I have to take it out and make sure if I'm doing it right. So make sure the gasket sits perfect, just like how it is earlier. this up, move this on the side for now, and make sure everything lined up. Now grab your screw with a spacer and a washer, slide it in there, right hole for it. Just put this little one here in the front. It's kind of hard to see it, but we're gonna do our best to work on this. Let's move this thing off the way, then line this up. I use this scissor to push that washer inside because the screws are still not long enough to reach. Just to push the washer inside. Alright. Now once the screws are inside, line it up the screws and put it in. Hopefully this one got a better grip. And push it down. All you gotta do is just tighten them up, and this is what it's gonna look like. Okay, so now I just got everything lined up in the hole. The screws kind of sitting snug. I didn't do a final torque in each screw here. We got two back here, one in the middle, and two on the front. All the screws are in place, but it's not. It's pretty snug, but it's not tightened. What we wanted to do is we're gonna tighten this up, final torque it. All right, let's do that now. So hot. It's good, but it's hot. So let's. Oh, I think I did torque this already. Let's see. Yep, that's already torqued. Now we're gonna move on. All right. No, we did that already. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do the other side now. Torque it out. We don't have no tools to use here. The good thing about this railing is this. When you're not working, when you're not using it, you can just pull this, then pull it out. And once you pull it out, then do the same thing here too. So you pull this lever out, and then voila, no more roof rail. Let's see what it looks like on the side. Whoa. Oops. So it looks like this. Now I can put on my kayak. Alright, so what I recommend, guys, because this thing comes with a silicone. Let's see how good this silicone is. What type of silicone is this? Fuck that. I'm gonna use my own silicone. That shit is a piece of shit. I'll be right back. Okay guys, so forget that silicone because I got a better brand. It's GE clear silicone. Just cut this off. I'm gonna put it in our caulk gun. This is what you call the caulking gun. I always buy the bigger portion because bigger is always better. All right, now let's go seal it up. So what I like to do, I've been doing this a lot to all of my vehicle in the past. So you see all the screws are exposed. What we wanted to do is I just want to fill those cup with a silicone caulk. That way when it rains, the water's not going to be collected here, and my the screw hole originally for the vehicle, the screw hole won't be sipping some water that's going to be trapped here. So let's go caulk it up.
Whatever excess,
That's fine because I can just trim them later on, you know.
so all that excess is going to be trimmed out anyway.
Actually, this one came out actually pretty good. Now the rear. Fill it up good. That's fine. That's fine. And then once this thing get dry, what we wanted to do is we're just gonna trim it with a razor blade. We just finally did our installation. Roof rack Toyota Tacoma, body type 2017 to 2001. Roof rack with a crossbar built in. If you don't want to use it, you can put it away by pulling this out and then fold this straight out like I showed earlier. But if you want to lift some stuff, especially for a kayak, this is perfect. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you like my install. You see how easy this takes. Job is like, what, let's say good 15 minutes if you're gonna take your time. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like and subscribe to my channel. It's your boy DJ Ninja Man Son, and you know I keep doing my fucking thing till someone stops me, but I'm not gonna stop. Alright, yo.